Ever wondered how cryptocurrency and blockchain technology work? How they're similar yet different? To start off, cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual money secured by cryptography. What sets it apart from traditional currency is its decentralization. Instead of being regulated by a central authority, cryptocurrencies operate on a technology known as blockchain. One of the defining features of cryptocurrencies is their reliance on decentralization. They're typically built on networks of computers, often referred to as a blockchain. This ensures no single entity can control the currency, and transactions are verified and recorded by a network of participants distributed across the globe. Cryptocurrencies also utilize cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and control the production of new units. They use a system of public and private keys to facilitate these secure transactions and ownership. Being purely digital, cryptocurrencies can be transferred electronically across borders without intermediaries like banks. This makes them a truly global and easily accessible form of currency. While transactions are recorded on a public ledger, the identities of users are typically pseudonymous, offering a degree of privacy. But don't be fooled, it's not entirely anonymous. One thing to note about cryptocurrencies is their volatility. Their value can fluctuate significantly over short periods, making them a risky yet potentially rewarding investment. Cryptocurrencies can be used for a variety of purposes, from online purchases and investments to remittances and global value transfers. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple and Litecoin are just a few examples of the many cryptocurrencies available today. Let's switch gears and delve into blockchain technology. This is the underlying technology that powers cryptocurrencies, but its applications go beyond just digital currencies. A blockchain is a decentralized and distributed ledger maintained by a network of nodes. Each node has a copy of the entire ledger, ensuring transparency and redundancy. One of the key features of blockchain technology is its immutability. Once data is added to a blockchain, it's extremely difficult to alter or delete. This is made possible through cryptographic hashing and consensus mechanisms. Blockchain technology also uses cryptographic techniques to secure data. Additionally, it can utilize smart contracts for automated agreements, and it can be either public or private. However, like any technology, blockchain faces challenges. These include issues related to scalability and regulation. So there you have it, a brief overview of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Two closely related yet distinct concepts that are shaping the future of finance and beyond.